All right, welcome back. Well, first, Denmark and now the German state of Schleswig-Holstein. Hope I say that right. They are dumping Microsoft for Linux. The northern state will turn to open source software to take back control, as they say, over digital data storage and ensure digital sovereignty, according to its digitalization minister, Dick Schroeder. We're done with Teams, he said, referring to Microsoft's messaging and collaboration tools, speaking on video call via an open source German program, of course. All right, this would affect over half of Schleswig-Holstein's 60,000 public servants, with 30,000 or so teachers due to follow suit in the coming years. So the first phase, ending the use of Word and Excel software, which is being replaced by LibreOffice, with Open Exchange taking the place of Outlook for emails. So we've talked about digital dependencies. Well, the principle of open source software is to allow users to read the source code and modify it according to their needs. And it talks about the current state of affairs here in the United States. In 2023, the European Union launched an antitrust investigation against Microsoft. Geopolitical developments over the past few months have strengthened interest in the path that we've taken. All right, so it's not surprising here that they're going to switch to some sources of Linux for more freedom. So there's this taken by the throat quote here. This is particularly the case when businesses and public bodies find themselves taken by the throat when hit by unexpected extra costs for mandatory updates. All right, so Schleswig-Holstein hopes the move will save them tens of millions of euros. And some more information here. I did mention a few days ago that Denmark says that the local governments of Copenhagen and Aarhus are also looking into ditching Microsoft. For what it's worth, both Germany and Denmark are going to try again their hands in at least some forms of Linux, and I think that's great. They didn't say if they're going to be switching to Linux-based operating systems. For what it's worth, I still prefer the Linux Mint Mate desktop if someone is going to do a complete switch. It's lightweight, it's great, it's easy to use, and no Wayland versus Xorg nonsense. You're still fine with this using X11.